Trump's take on Shiba Inu. The crypto market is never silent. One needs to keep their senses on alert mode to make prompt investment decisions. With more crypto adoption in the mainstream market, we have quite a few influential people commenting on the same. Stick on to today's video if you want to know more about what the former US President Donald Trump said about the most significant crypto and the fastest crypto. Hi Shiba lovers, welcome to Shiba Inu Coin, your daily dose of Shiba. If you're interested in everything around Shiba, this is the place for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for us to provide you with more Shiba news. And let us know in the comments, how much do you think Shiba will cost next week? Although before that, a disclaimer line. This video is made for informational purposes and does not intend to be taken as financial advice. Investors and traders are requested to work on their own research before investing in cryptos. Now, without any further ado, let's get to it. The highly volatile crypto market is always dynamic. You need to stay put, consider several factors before making any move. Since the concept of a crypto market revolves around being decentralized, it might also become an issue. Because influential people will have a certain amount of power to manipulate the entire market, it's essential to look out for all such factors and get notified every time such a situation arises. In today's video, we'll look at Donald Trump's view on Bitcoin and the Shiba Inu coin. Stay put because along with this, we will also be looking at the future price trajectory for both the coins. Starting from the fastest growing coin, Shiba Inu, which was launched in August 2020 and since then has shown considerable growth. Inspired by the meme token Dogecoin, Shiba Inu also stands on the symbol inspired by the Japanese Shiba Inu dog. This token claims to surpass Dogecoin, even with its minimal value. Founded by a pseudonymous personality who calls himself Rysohi, he has named the Shiba Inu token as the Dogecoin Killer due to the coin's tagline and beliefs. It has been able to take on considerable attention since its inception. Till now, we all knew there's only one Shiba Inu token. However, this is not it. A new Shiba Inu coin has emerged in the market, which claims to have been inspired from Dogecoin, but also is different in many aspects from the coin. Shiba Inu's origination is based on a joke. However, unlike Dogecoin, the coin itself does not want to be taken as a joke. It's a severe currency, aiming to become the biggest currency in the future. Shiba Inu coin works on Ethereum's blockchain technology as an ERC20 token, primarily available on ShibaSwap and Binance for trading. Shiba Inu coin does not have any smart contract utility, and most significantly, it is also not backed by any asset or rights. Its blockchain is simply based on the basic concept of a transferable token. The Shib token works on a decentralized system with a circulating supply of a quadrillion tokens. Recently, the Shiba Inu coin was under the social spotlight as it became one of the largest single donation coins. At the time of the creation of Shiba Inu, 50% of the coins were locked away in Uniswap, and the other 50% were transferred to Vitalik Buterin, one of the 8 co-founders of Ethereum. Buterin held over 505 trillion Shiba Inu coins, yielding a net worth of nearly $8 billion, which is surprisingly greater than Buterin's Ethereum holdings. Rysohi gifted half of Shib token supply to Vitalik in order to maintain the coin's value by creating scarcity. However, Buterin donated 50 trillion Shib tokens of his holdings to India's COVID relief fund. Later, he burnt 90% of his Shib holdings by sending them to a blank blockchain address. Approximately 417 trillion coins were burned. And the remaining 10% of his holdings, Buterin plans to donate them to charitable causes. It is yet unknown which charity it'll be, but it's inevitable that Buterin now does not hold any Shiba Inu coins. Till the point of donating to India's COVID relief fund, Shiba Inu's price trajectory wasn't affected much. However, just after a week, when Vitalik announced his execution of burning 90% of his share, plunged the Shiba Inu market. Selling pressure on the coin rose. The reaction was aggravated because the crypto market was recovering from a hit. From the high of $0.000038, the coin has now been consolidating at $0.00001. The volatility rate is higher in Shiba Inu coins than other established altcoins. This is why Shiba Inu has a larger room to grow. It can project unimaginable growth within no time. Considering the issue of volatility, Donald Trump has made his remarks on digital currency. According to him, Bitcoin and other crypto assets have a high volatile value. Further, they are considered equivalent to fiat currency or act as a consideration to trade with. He believes that the value of digital assets is made up based on assumption, having no logical or technical reasoning behind it. Furthermore, since digital assets are not regulated, they can facilitate unlawful behavior, extending to drug trade and other illegal activities. Former President Trump also said that US dollars is the most dominant currency in the world and is likely to stay that way. In analyzing Trump's statement, it is indeed accurate that cryptos are highly volatile, but the same can also go with mainstream stock markets. The point is, Trump emphasized the dominance of the US dollar is here to stay, which can mean that digital currency is gradually getting accepted into the mainstream market. The former president's concerns clearly point out the growing awareness of digital currency in the real world. On the contrary, according to the IMF and World Economic Forum, the US dollar cannot sustain much longer as the global currency. The recent market inflation is an example of the rapid devaluation of the dollar, as the inflation rate is going up rapidly, and heavy sell-offs have already taken over the financial markets. Under such a scenario, investors and traders would likely look for other efficient options to trade their money. Not to mention, since the crypto market now runs on the concept of a decentralized system, there isn't a possible reason to fear inflation in the crypto market. Bitcoin does not have an intrinsic value, it's simply a consideration or money, which can transfer value effectively in a decentralized manner, similar to the system of gold, which is perceived as a store of value, as analyzed by Zappos CEO. As per experts and analysts, Bitcoin will more likely be established as a store of value and money, similar to how gold did over time. According to CoinMarketCap, the Shiba Inu coin has risen in popularity and was also titled to be the most viewed coin. This coin was described as an experiment in decentralized community building. The top 3 wallets on Binance hold 50.5%, 7%, and 3% of the cryptocurrency's total supply and were all transparent to traders. Take note that if any of these wallets decide to sell off their share, then the market price of the coin will eventually collapse. Ben Caselin, head of research and strategy at cryptocurrency exchange AAX, opinionated that Shiba Inu isn't about making money. It is a sign that there is a new wave of investors. Therefore, it is essential to consider the hype and accept the mass movement if traders are new to crypto. He added that the hype around meme coins, Shiba Inu is not a financial but a social phenomenon. The Shiba Inu coin has already started to make a social impact, and for this price they are soon to break out. The coin's price trajectory gave way to specific bullish patterns, which indicate a bullish price rise on the coin very soon. The V-shaped pattern and a U-shaped pattern with a rounded base describe an immediate 30% price surge in the coin. However, considering the buying pressure on the coin is not yet strong, the coin isn't able to flip into a breakout. Considering the coin's previous price action, it seems that the Shiba Inu coin likes to take a little break before breaking out. We expect the coin to trend sideways for a little while, after which the coin is likely to explode. However, to speed up the process, a position catalyst needs to play up front to push the buying pressure. The first significant mark is to break out from a critical resistance point at $0.00001. At this level, the price action has several times been rejected. An intense pressure at this point will confirm a breakout from the reversal pattern, post which the coin will head straight towards a level at $0.00014. According to Wallet Investor, the Shiba Inu coin will hit $0.00018 by the end of 2021, and a long-term project can be at $0.00058 by the end of 2026. However, given the rising popularity of the coin, we expect the coin to grow at least to $0.0002 by the end of 2021. Because if there is a breakout now, it will undoubtedly be an exponential one. Overall, the Shiba Inu coin is a profitable long-term investment. And that's it for today's video. Let us know in the comments below when you think Shiba will hit $2. And make sure to subscribe and give us a thumbs up. See you next time at Shiba Inu Coin.